All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and well, today we're going to take a look at the expansion to the shop. Just an FYI, I'm not shooting on my camcorder with a fuzzy cat on top of it, so audio may not be as good as it normally is, but chances are in the expansion, it's probably not going to be that great of a sound anyway, so let's go take a look at the new shop. In case you can't tell, it's a little dark out, you know, because I film my videos at night. Let's go down the out of the back of the shop, and really dark here. All right, you ready for the reveal? All right, so you guys have seen the alignment rack and all that. Well, here is the mess that it is right now, because look at all that open space. And I'm sorry about the echo. There's not much I can do about it right now. But before, see those circles? There was beams right there. We now have just those poles. So, had to put in engineered steel, new beams. Of course, we've had a structural engineer involved in the entire process. That's the back beam. Probably gonna get a little dark back here because there's no light set up yet. But this is the new lower shop, all opened up. As you can see, again, poles right in the way. So now we got a whole bunch of open space to put lifts in. Bam Bam, Zach, and Daniel are going to be coming down here. So Bam Bam will be the shop foreman for the lower shop. He'll be in charge down here. And, you know, lots of space for them to fix cars. It's been quite a process to get here. As you can imagine, those beams took a good bit of time to get built. And the reason they had to be done is, if you don't know, there was a fire in this shop from a Mercedes-Benz catching on fire, a diesel, and structurally damaged the ceiling, which is actually the owner of the property's muffler shop. So if he ever wants to reopen up there, he had to put in, you know, fix the structure of the lower shop to support the upper shop. Of course, staircase goes up to the upper shop. We are not renting that. We are just getting this shop. So concrete to fill in where the poles went in today. So they'll start running the new electrical setups and start getting equipment set up, lifts, all that kind of good stuff here pretty quickly. So we had a couple snags, but they were able to fix them. So figured I'd give you guys a update on the lower shop. So I hope you enjoyed the look at the new lower shop. As you can see, as I pan, that is the new space. Now, obviously, they're going to put new lights in, all that kind of good stuff, but we had to get all the structure done first, and that's all done now. So now we can start working on the rest of the stuff so they can come down here and start turning hours. The alignment bay will still be everybody's alignment bay, and we'll all share that still, but Bam Bam, Daniel, and Zach will be down here. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.